Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So today we are going to see about the important thing in this, how to have a 2D sketches in Mastercam. So by using, we are going to practice some exercises and we are going to generate some programs based on this. So first I will go for an wireframe and I will create my rectangle, which the rectangle to be 150 and I need in 60 and I just click OK and I got my sketch. Okay, so first and now I am just going to set it to zoom my window, which I need this. Then I need my fillet, sorry, I don't want a fillet. So this is my sketch, rough sketch, which now I am going to machine this using milling operation, as I have most of the posts. If you want the posts, it is I'm selling this for I am selling this posts of Mastercam 2025 at lowest price, and the link is below. You can directly purchase from there, and you can after installing the Mastercam you can directly install these posts. So I will just go and install Makino as56 and click OK, and I will just go and select my Makino as56 and I will go for toolpaths where there is a no stock. So I am just working on this as in a 2D thing. So I am just going for 2D. From 2D I just select face mill, face, which is called as a face mill operations will be carried. So once I selected the face mill, there will be a wireframe chaining. So in the wireframe chaining, what you will be learning, you can able to, it has a n number of options where you can select by using the 2D. You can able to easily select this tool. Okay, so I am just going and selecting the 2D sketch and I am just changing the direction to which flow you want the toolpath to be generated, either in this horizontal area or in vertical area. So I just keep this and I just click OK, and now the 2D path tooling as a 2D toolpath facing tool menu will be opened up. So if you have any default toolpath, separate configured toolpath, you can use it directly, or you can use this. Okay, and here I am just selecting facing and going for tool, and in the tool, from tool library I will just go for filters and none, and I just select face mill, click, and I will go for 80 mm or 63 mm face mill cutter, and I just go for holder as I am searching for BT40, or you can select HSK 63, whichever you want. It is just a half set size is the matter. So if you have a DNC, then you can use the exact tooling system or tool managers which you have in your company. You can incorporate with the Mastercam. So when you purchase the Mastercam, there is some tips which I will give you in next videos or later to that video, because based on the you can able to plan for purchasing Mastercam. So I just go for cutting method. In this I am just select zigzag and I just go and give as a stock as a 0. I don't want any, I want to finish my component. So I'm just giving this, and auto angle, it automatically takes the angle, and depth of cut I am just giving as 0.5, and linking parameter, the depth I need to this NDT. Top of the stock I have a 5 mm stock, we can take it as, and next home and reference points always take it from machine. So next is accuracy of the cut. You can control the tolerance and plane as it is same, and which coolant mode you want, either flood coolant or mist coolant or through coolant. I just go with, as it is a face mill, I just go with my flood coolant. And if you are using multi-axis, you will be working out here in the axis control, or else you don't want to look and click OK. So if you see here, my roughing face mill has been generated a program with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and final cut is a finishing cut. So what means the 5 mm divided with the 0.5 mm depth of cut. So this is the program, this is the tool path. So I have completed my tool path. If you want, you can also do backdrop. Either you can go back to machine and check, go for backdrop, where you can able to see how the cutter goes. This is the cutting area. So it cuts for this, and to know the cycle time, you can go for information, and from here you can able to get a tentative cycle time of this operation. So it has a 3 minutes 6 seconds 6.44 seconds. So in this rapid also, which is 1.41 seconds, so all put together it is 3.885 seconds, 3 minutes 8.85 seconds. So click OK, and next I will go for generate, where I can able to create a program. Okay, so I just give output file format and description as face mill tutorial. Okay, this name will be, output part file name will be as per this. And you can, if you are using DNC system which is along with the Simco DNC, then you can use this, and you can directly send the program to your machine. So now I don't have this option, I am just having .nc, and I am going to getting my program for Makino as 56 Pro, and click OK. And it asks for the ANSI program where to save. I will just save in my desktop, ANSI program. I will create my folder. As it is a rough profile, I'm just covered the face milling as a rough, so I just saving as this. I will have a in detailed lesson on this face mill. So once you saved the program, it will automatically open with your NC editors, and where the file name, and it is a NC code, and this is the date, month, year and time, and what is the Mastercam file. Okay, as my Mastercam file has not been saved, so it came as T. So when you save the program and then if you work, it will give it as exact file name. If you see here, so now I just saved the Mastercam, and again I am generating the program. Click to, I am just saving this, and if you see the program, the updated file name will be there. See, it is where my Mastercam file and where my NC file location is there, and what material and what is the cutter we have used. 63 mm with 71 mm is the height offset of the tool, so it is used, and G1, G21 and G0 and face mill tutorial which we have used in the name there, and this is the program. So once you generated the program, this is the final output of this Mastercam, which you can directly input to your machine, when the post is configured exactly to your Mastercam, you can use it, or you want to do small minor corrections in the program. It is which your setter can able to easily update that correction codes corrections to suitable to your control systems. Next, you can also generate a setup report based on this. Okay, you can what project it is a, I will just give facing tutorial rough and customer, and just CB programmer GP drawing tests 0. So these are the things which where you can able to give, and you can also input this, click OK. It automatically takes some snaps and the setup sheet will be generated. Okay, where you can go, it will take some time to generate the report, and which wherever it will be helpful for a programmer to take an offset. So this is the Mastercam setup sheet report, where there are some details which is a product detail descriptions which we have given, and where the file is saved, that location, and what is the toolpath, overall component toolpath, and operation list, first operation facing. So it has a 3 minutes 7 seconds, and what is the spindle RPM, and what is the feed rate used, and what is the custom clearance, you mean clearance plane, you mean from that part what is the top clearance angle plane has been taken, and what is the retract plane, means when one face mill is gone and where it will go tool and go and stop. So where it is a 25 mm, which we have say as clearance plane as a safety level, and below that a retract where the tool go and hold stand, and when cycle calls it will come directly. And next is a feed plane, it is 10 mm, where it will comes to the with speed of RPM touching the spindle speed. And then depth, as I told, it is 0. So stock to leave, I don't want any stock, I want to finish the component. So compensation, you mean insert compensation will be activated based on the number of parts run. So that's, and work offset, I didn't give the work offset, but it directly took the program. So you can also control, you can also select the work offset, and you can start giving the program also. So this is the tool info. Face mill cutter with number has a 250, and it is 63 mm dia, and I am just using, I don't know what is the corner radius, and length offset, this is the tool dimension which you want to hold the tool according to this distance. If it will be vary based on the practical actual tool, means we want to correct the length offset of the tool. And then the face mill also completed, and what is the work offset also it has been given. So based on this the program has been generated. So this is just a rough, so I just took some time, and in a short time I will cover you in detail about the face mill in upcoming videos. So this is just a eye catcher for you. So that's all. Anyway, thank you for your watching. Subscribe, please subscribe to the channel, which will help us to grow, and thank you.